So I will ask again, what is the hardest stone? You can answer me. What is the hardest stone?
Diamond.
So here the hardness of material is its ability to withstand scratches. So we can compare the hardness of two materials by doing a simple test as shown in diagram. So we talk about this one last Wednesday. And this one, I forgot to show this one. So this one is a real thing about hardness. Look at that one, no? So the gun over here, the gun is trying to shoot to a person at the back of the bulletproof glass. Okay, that is bulletproof glass. Okay, bulletproof meaning the bullet there cannot pass through, cannot break, cannot break the glass at all. So this one here, this one is throwing the stone, throwing the stone in the glass of the car. So look at the glass, it never be broken because of the hardness of the thing. Okay, here. So we will talk about tensile strength. Okay, so if you don't have the translation of tensile, so we have already here. Okay, who can read me the tensile strength?
Atiwit can.
Me.
Okay, let's try Atiwit first. What is tensile strength?
Tensile
Atiwit,
of the
wait. Atiwit from here to here, and then is that narrative? Said me? Who said me? Is that narrative too?
I think Chairipat.
Chairipat here, going to the last one. Okay. Okay. Atiwit first.
The tensile strength of material tell us how much force can be applied.
Again, sorry. The tensile strength.
The tensile strength of materials tell us how much force can be applied without breaking the materials. Different materials have different
Tensile
strength.
Okay, Chairipat. Is that Chairipat? I think not Chairipat, mang. Okay, continue reading. Who wants to continue read? Who wants to continue reading? Who wants to continue to read? Who wants to continue? No more? Okay, continue Atiwit.
Material with low tensile strength will break when a small force is applied to them. Materials with high tensile strength will break only when a very large force
is applied
to them.
Okay, tensile strength. Thank you so much, Mr. Atiwit. Tensile strength pa wala na? What's this? I cannot read this one.
แรงดึง
I don't know now, but I searched that one in the Google. The image of that, the picture of that is a tensile strength. Now, here, the tensile strength of a material tells us how much force can be applied without breaking the material. For example, if I want to break the pen, here, there is a pen, no? So if I will break the pen, how much strength I need to break a pen? So how much strength? What force? Is it big force or small force just to break the pen? No? That is what we call tensile strength. How much force do I need to break the thing? Okay. For example, I will ask Mr. Atiwit, do you know what is metal? Metal to alay.
Leg.
If Mr. Atiwit, because Mr. Atiwit has a very high IQ, so I will ask him, if Mr. Atiwit wants to break the metal, is he going to use his hand?
No.
No,
No
of course.
forever.
Because if we will use our hand to break a metal, what will happen?
We hand will broke and we cannot use hand forever.
Actually, we cannot break the metal by our hands because the tensile strength of the metal is very, very high. We cannot, our hands cannot break the metal, right, Atiwit? So, for example, Mr. Atiwit wants to break the metal. Look at me, na? Look at me. So, Atiwit, for example, this one is a metal. Can you see this one? What's this? A pen, no?
Yes.
Now, for example, this is a metal. And Atiwit wants to break this one. And then, Teacher Juvin is waiting. Teacher Juvin said, after 500 years, after 1,000 years, cannot break the metal. No? We cannot break the metal at all by using the hand. No, that is very high tensile strength. So in order to break the metal, we need what? We need machine. No? We need another thing to break the metal. So here, materials with low tensile strength will break when a small force is applied to them. For example, the plants. Can we break the plants? Can we break the plant? The small plant? Yes, no? It depends on the plant. Like for example, the leaf of the plant, it's very easy. The toothpick, the wood that is very thin, that is very easy to break. Chamay? Chamay kam? No? That is very low tensile strength. Understand? Understand my? Plastics, no? Plastics, small plastics has very small tensile strength. Materials with high tensile strength will break only when, okay, read this one, huh? I will underline this one, huh? This is very highlight. Materials with high tensile strength will break only when a very large force is applied to them. Okay? No? So we need a very, very high force, very large force in order to break the high tensile strength, especially the metals. Chamay Atiwit, especially the diamond. No? The diamond, we cannot break it. If we will bite the diamond, ohoy, our teeth will motloy. No? Our teeth will break first and we cannot break the diamond by our teeth. Okay, here. So this one here. This one is Miss Panatsha. No? Panatsha wants to break the wooden chopstick here. This one is a wooden chopsticks. What is chopsticks? When we eat noodles, we use chopstick ngay. Ngay. Samay? What's that? What's that in Thai? Huh? What's this in Thai? Like chopsticks. Like that. When we eat noodles. The wood. Takiyap, no? Takiyap. One. No, that is here. So Miss Panatsha broke the wooden chopstick here. What's that? This one. The wooden chopsticks is here and this one. So it is very easy to break. Chamay pichaya. Pichaya, chamay. Because
I break the pencil many.
it's a wood, no? So pencils also, pencil that is a wood pencil. Very easy to break because it's a wood. Siyempre? And a wooden chopstick has low tensile strength. Low na, low. Low แปลว่า low แปลว่าอะไร low แปลว่าอะไร low 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 แปลว่า what is low no low tensile strength meaning low ngay low what is low you can help me low LOW what is low ต่ำใช่ไหม so this one has a has a low tensile strength. On the other hand, look at the face of Miss Panacha. Look at the face of Miss Panacha. So it's the face is like angry, no? Angry, wants to break the rod, iron rod, but cannot break the metal because this is a metal. This one is a metal. So an iron rod has high tensile strength. We cannot break this one by our hands, by our force. We need to have a higher, a bigger force to break the iron rod. Okay, here, next. So here it says, it explains here that this one, a wooden chopsticks breaks easily, but the iron rod does not break unless you exert a very large force. Or let's say we need a machine. No, we need a machine. We need something to break the iron rod, like big things. But we cannot break the iron rod by stone or by rock. We need another metal or machine. Okay, we say that the wooden chopstick has low tensile strength, while the iron rod has high tensile strength. So we will compare, no? So that is a property of a metal, a property of a material. For example, when can we use this one? When can we use this one? Okay, when? Why do we need to know this one? Now we talk about, before I ask you, what if we will use a motorcycle or a car that is made from paper, and we drive in the street, we drive in the road? What will happen? So this one applies, no? So the people who made the car thinks we need to have a car that is high tensile strength. Tama? We need to have a car that is high tensile strength, because if there is an accident, the car will not destroy easily. Tama? So the people inside of the car still okay. Tamaครับ? So we need a car that is high tensile strength. How about the airplane? How about the ship? How about the train? No, it should be a high tensile strength. Our house, your house at Tiwit, can you find a high tensile strength? Huh? A lot of metals at home. Samay? Because
yeah, I have very many.
Yes, because we need a high tensile things to build our house. Samay? So that's why we are learning, we are studying about this one to apply in daily life. What can you see outside? No? Outside of your house. Oh, look at the bed of Mr. Tanatpong. Everybody look at that Tanatpong's bed. Is that high tensile strength? Of course, it is, no? High tensile strength, we cannot break it easily. Look at Tanatpong. Tanatpong is lying down on the bed. So that bed is a metal. Chamay? So we will not make a bed that is made from paper. Because when Tanatpong jump there, what will happen? The bed will be broken. Chamay? The bed will be broken if that is a paper. So the people thinks I need to make a bed that is made from metal or a bed that is a high tensile strength. Chamay? Chamayครับ? Okay, I hope you understand na. Oh, for example, another thing at the back of Mr. Miso Pason. Is that Banday going up? So Pason? Is that Banday?
Yes.
See? Banday going up. So we need to put a high tensile strength material so that they can carry our weight. So no, like that. So no, it should be strong. It should be strong. Here, look at the bed of Mr. Benjeraton of its metal bed. No, very high tensile strength. So example here, that one. No, so this one here, this one is Mr. Atiwit. No, Mr. Atiwit, I am Atiwit here. Is this you, Atiwit?
No, but on future, this will be cut off the solar system.
Oh, solar system.
He
Okay.
will make space again.
Oh, nobody can make space again. Here.
But he is fat.
Teacher, I bring Activate will go to solar system and go to space.
You know
And
what? That is my lesson in grade 5 now. It's the solar system and the stars, the planets and the stars. Okay, so we will talk about that one too. Okay, here. So look at the material here. Look at that one. No, it is broken easily. It breaks easy, right? So this one is low tensile strength. Chamay? And this one here, even he jumps many times. Look at that one. So this one here is a high tensile strength. Okay. Now, tell me, give me one example of low tensile strength. What are the materials outside, I mean inside of your house, or that you see every day easily? No, every day. You see it every day. What are the things that is low tensile strength? Give me one. I will write the name. Who can give me? A low tensile strength. Material that is low tensile strength. It means it can be broken easily. No, it's easy to break. Give me one that you see every day.
Computer.
Computer, can we break it by our hands?
No.
No.
Yes, we
Ninja
can.
we can do. Only
We-
ninja.
We can carry, but put that one here, but we cannot cut that our hand, right?
Ninja.
We can, we are not ninja. We can throw the computer, then the
can
computer
break our
will
we
hit the,
hand. We
Huh?
can break our we hand.
yes, we can break by our hands. So what are those things? Give me one. What do you think?
Paper.
Paper, very good. That is that a material? Of course, that's a thing, right? That is a thing. So we can break easily the paper. Like that. Atiwit, check. Okay, what else? Who else? Who else? Tell me. What else? No more? I have only Atiwit here.
Let me think first.
Okay, think first. Find a things that can be broken easily. That breaks easily. break ง่ายๆ natapum เหรอ natapum, do you have any idea natapum? Ratrawi is here. Today is November 5. Do you have any
Teacher,
idea?
I have idea with low
Tensile.
inside.
Is
We hand because we hand when it break something we have rod and we can lost hand. So it's low tensile.
our hands?
Yes.
No, it's
Hand.
not. How about the pencil? No? Okay. Maybe low tensile is difficult, a little bit difficult. How about high tensile strength? How about high tensile? A lot na? At home. High tensile, meaning we cannot break it easily. Very hard to break. How about Lucas? Is Lucas there?
Yes.
What are the things that we cannot easily break?
Plastic.
Plastic. What kind of plastic?
A hard disk. Plastic.
A plastic desk. Samay? Okay, very good. That is hard. That is high tensile strength. So check narrative. What else? Find hard things at home. No more? Find hard things.
Material.
What kind of material? What object? What material?
Hard disk material.
What? Give me an example of that material.
Gold.
Huh? Gold. Okay, gold. Yes. Very good. What else?
Iron.
Find the things at home.
Iron. Iron.
Iron. Look at the things at home.
Ruler, teacher.
Ruler. Okay, a metal ruler. But plastic ruler is easy to break, right?
Teacher, plastic fan.
Plastic fan. Okay, very good. It's very hard to break. What else? Who else? Who else?
Chair.
Chair. Very good. Chair. Very hard to break. What else?
Washing computer.
Washing machine from Tanatpong. Computer of Lucas. Correct, both of you. So that is what we call high tensile strength. We cannot break by our hands. How about TV? Can you break the TV by your hand?
Door. No, I cannot break door. I cannot break door.
The door. Cannot break the door. See, a lot of things that is high tensile.
Window. I cannot break window.
Window. Very good. So we cannot break the window easily. Am I? So that is what I mean. No? The bricks also. These are the bricks. This one here. This one are bricks. No? Bricks. This one over here. Bricks. Oh, that is very hard to break by our hands. So these are what we call high tensile strength. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, I think we will finish this one here. I want a girl who will read this one. A thermal conductivity. Who wants to read? I need Puying. Puying. Who wants to read Puying? Puying. Puying za. No more? Should I call the name of Puying? Oh, recording. Sorry. Oh, who wants to read Puying? No? No, Puying?
Me.
Samontawan, right?
Yes.
Okay, Samontawan. Let's listen to Samontawan. Thermal conductivity.
Thermal conductivity in Thai is การนำความร้อน
Okay.
Thermal conductivity of a material
Refers.
refers to how well it can conduct heat. Material that conduct heat very well are called good thermal conductors. Material that do not conduct heat very well are called poor thermal conductors.
Very good. Thank you so much, Samontawan. Thermal conductivity, I cannot read in Thai, but I think that is correct. No, I searched the one. I searched the pictures in the Google. Thermal conductivity of a material refers to how well it conduct heat. Meaning, you think of a material that can get heat or can be heat or becomes hot easily. What are the things that can be hot easily? So that is what we call good thermal conductors. And there are materials that is poor thermal conductors, meaning you burn already but still not hot. Okay? So I think Atiwit has the idea of a thermal conductivity or thermal conductors. So what are the things Atiwit? I will go to Atiwit because Atiwit is always listening to me. Supason, Naratip, Pacharapon, Benjaraton. No? What are the things? Some of you are turning off the camera. I will read the names of, I record this one. I record this one. To the students who turn on the
Teacher,
camera.
You know what? I use the pen is have high thermal conductivity to make up mama.
Wait for a while now. So I will read first the students who are not using the who are using the camera. Okay, this is recorded. Your mom, your dad can see this one, and the teachers as well. Okay, Atiwit is using the camera. Lucas Tanatpong is using. Samontawan Panatsa just now. Naratip Tugpon all the time. Benjaraton Supason Pacharapon. Pichaya just now, turn off, on and off. Pakapon just now, Natapum just now, Panachay just now. Turning on and off the camera, maybe Natapum, Panachay are watching or playing something. Cheripat, not using camera, Chanidapa, not using. Junlapat, not using. Chanamet. Tritaset, not using the camera. Pirapat, not using. Ratrawi, not using the camera. So how can I know if you are listening? How do I know if you are listening or not? No? So here. So again, let's go back to the lesson. Atiwit said, when he will cook mama, he used a material that is a good thermal conductor. Sama Atiwit. So meaning,
Yes.
that material can get or will be hot easily. Like for example, what are the example of that? Examples are this one. A poor thermal conductor is a good thermal insulator. So everybody please write this one in your notebook. This one, this is very important. I will give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I will give you 5 minutes. Screenshot. One. I will screenshot now. I will send it to the group. Okay. Send it to the group. Pepneng. So that you can copy in the group. Okay. One, copy in the group. I put in the group already. Okay, here.
Done. And
Finish.
can I have this one?
Write in your notebook. Finish writing.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, finish. So here, I will read it again. A poor thermal conductor is a good thermal insulator. So here, this one here is what we call insulator. A good thermal conductor is a poor thermal insulator. So this is what I am saying here is the opposite of conductor and insulator. So good thermal conductor here, this one, are the things that can become heat easily, right? Easy to become heat. For example are the metals, no? We cook this one. We use this one for cooking, right? This one here, we use this one for cooking. All of these are metals, and metals are good thermal conductor. Okay, good thermal conductor. A good thermal conductor. When we cook, we don't use this one. Shamay? We use this. Why? We use this one in cooking, right? This one, we use this one in cooking over here. All of this. This one. We use this one in cooking. Why? Because this one are insulators, no? Insulators, meaning this one, heat insulators, meaning all of this cannot get heat easily. Plastics also, no? Plastics, the plastics are insulators. So insulators are the things that cannot get heat easily. Cloth, the clothes here, no? The clothes are not are insulators.ใช่ไหม Insulators. Okay, here. I think this is the last one. Okay, before I will give work, small work. Okay, look at the pot, sorry, letter P na, the pot above. Which parts are good thermal conductors? Which one? Which part? Thermal conductors, meaning will become hot easily. Which one? I will put A, B, C. Which one will become hot faster or fast? A, B, or C?
A.
A. Okay, no? So this one here, letter A is a good thermal conductor because this is a metal. ใช่ไหมครับ Good thermal conductor. How about poor thermal conductor or insulator?
Plastic.
Letter
letter
B and C. ใช่ไหม Letter B and C, the wood. So this one, these are poor thermal conductor. Okay? Conductor. Poor thermal conductor. So this one is good thermal conductor. And this one is poor thermal conductor. When we are cooking, we can hold this one. Samay? We can touch this one. But we
Yes.
cannot touch this one.
Because when it's a fire, it's very hot.
Yes, this one will become very hot. But this one is just warm. Un-un. No? Because
Yes.
this one is poor thermal conductor. Okay na? So here, I think I talk too much. I talk too much, so I will give some work. I will give work
Okay.
in your notebook. Okay, แป๊บนึงนะ Please write your name in your notebook. Okay. Let me share this one. Share screen. Whiteboard, Microsoft Whiteboard. Can you see the Microsoft Whiteboard, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Lucas is drinking something. Okay. Here. So far,
Drinking some strawberry smoothie.
a strawberry smoothie. Okay. Are you home, Lucas?
Yes, I at home.
Where at home?
In Bangkok.
Okay. Okay, here. Do you have class tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh,
It's play a game.
play a game. Write your name in your notebook. Write your name. For example,
Name blah 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 blah. Name blah
everyone,
blah blah.
Activity.
Athit. Athit
With
only
the
have
smartest.
Okay. Lesson. Write this one.
Lesson blah blah
Everybody
blah.
Everybody write this one in your notebook.
Lesson math.
Materials and
อาทิตย์จันทวงศ์
properties. For example only, na example. Ativit Jantawong. Okay. What is the first lesson that we have? First material is elasticity. Siya may look. Okay na? Elasticity. Kiyan. Elasticity. Give me 5 example of elasticity. Give me 5 example. 1, 2. Ano ka da?
Can I take the photo?
Sure, later na. Okay, 5
Okay.
example. Number 1. 2. Example of 5 materials. 5 elastic materials. Examples of elastic materials. Okay. That is the first one. Elasticity, examples of elastic materials. That is number 1. Next is hardness. Next is hardness. 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 Examples of hard materials. And so that is happening. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that one, 5 examples. Okay, next one is tensile strength. Okay, only this one con. Strength. And then high tensile objects. 3, 5, a lot, no? A lot, because one is a lot. 5, correct. And I will give only 3 for low tensile strength.
Can I take a photo now?
Webneng, not yet done.
Okay.
And then letter B, low tensile strength, tensile objects. Honey, only 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, finish. Now, I want you to do that one. Okay, I want you to do that one. And I will make an album. Teacher, yang may album siya, may look. No? Teacher Juvin has no album yet. Siya may kap? Mi yang? Yang may siya may? Teacher Juvin, Teacher Juvin Science ini. 34 students. Okay. Add photo. Teacher Juvin, add photo. Patneng.
Can I take a photo?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Okay, teacher. Okay. Take a photo already.
Wait na. It's in your, it's in the I will put in the album na.
Okay.
Okay. So, uhuy. Album. Okay. Add photo. Okay, this one. Check. Look at that group chat in grade 4. Look at the album. Okay, na? See that? So you put your work there. You can start now. We don't have time. We have 3 minutes left. Okay. So see you again on Monday. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye,
teacher.
Goodbye, teacher to win. See you again on Monday and bye.